beauties, it's Carol. Today we're going to try to clear up my area so if I show you all my things that are around here, I can put them away. So stick around, sit back, relax. We're going to have a fun day. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you 3 products that were sent to me. I'm so grateful that they were, and so I can show them to you. I always think it's a good thing if a company sends you something, you have a chance to do a video to show your viewers something new. So I hope you agree with that. The first product is by Duval, and it's a radiant spin care system. This is the box. This is the brush for the body, and this is the applicator. So you just pop it in, and then you press it, and it spins. It's not a sonic, it spins. And you could rub creams in there and lotions on your body. It feels excellent. So let me tell you a little something about this. It comes with an exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. And it's called the Radiant Spin Care System. It is for everyday uses, and there's 4 interchangeable accessories. You know, I think sometimes you just want a spinning device that'll scrub. This is really perfect. Well, this is for the body. So this has a hole up here, so you could tie a little string there and hang it in your shower. The reviews are quite amazing. People have said that their skin cleared up after 3 days of using it. They recommend it 100%. $95 on the Duval website. I think I have a discount code for you. I have to check. But it's very weighty. It feels very sturdy, and it takes battery in here. And this is the button, the silicone button that you push to make it go on. I think it's a great product to have to really scrub. That is the Radiant Spin Care System. Next product is a calming cream. It has aloe vera and chamomile extracts. It's got shea butter, chamomile extract, grapefruit seed extract, pine bark extract, sage oil, lemon oil, glycol stearate, apricot kernel, jojoba oil, vegetable oil, hydrogenated oil, triglycerides. It sounds like it's power-packed. So let's take a little bit from this precious cream. This isn't a cheap cream, but you get a lot in here. You get 2 ounces. 2 ounces is a lot these days. Here it is. It's very silky. Susan Ciminelli is a world-renowned health and holistic guru. For nearly 35 years, the elite has experienced her products. She offers the most innovative signature skincare treatments. Each product serves to balance out your skin. And she only uses holistic products from the earth and the ocean in her products. Interesting, right? Jennifer Lopez, Kate Moss, Cindy Crawford are people that do use her treatment. It contains microbeads of soothing botanicals that are easily absorbed into your skin for long-lasting, time-released hydration. Oh, I like that. It is best suited for sensitive or irritated skin. And this is what it has. Grapefruit seed extract, which is a natural preservative, antioxidant, antibacterial. Pine bark extract, which is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and more powerful than vitamin C. It has essential oils, clary, sage, chamomile, and lemon, which are the same with the anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, emollient, moisturizes, soothes, tones, and protects. The jojoba oil moisturizes and soothes. It's 100% natural. The seaweed extract is anti-aging, increases moisture levels in the skin, rich in natural minerals and trace elements. So if you have irritated skin, this might be your answer. It's supposed to be very calming. I can only tell you what I've read about it, introduce you to the product and tell you that it feels very moist, very moisturizing. The test I'm going to give it is how long it's going to feel like this. So if you care to try it, there's a link below. I love a face gadget. And if you go back to some of my really old videos, you will see a lot of face gadgets too. I mean, through the years, I have just collected them. I think they're terrific. This one is called Rejuven, and I had seen this one on Natalie the Beauty Diva's website. And I had commented, and then the company did send it to me. Let's see. It's a 5-in-1 skincare. It's got ultrasound, galvanic plus, photo rejuvenation, micro vibration. I'll tell you the two things that I have used. Now, my doctor, Dr. Nassif, had told me to do ultrasound. And when this company was going to send me this, I said, this is perfect because I need to do the ultrasound. So it says just 10 minutes a day, you can get tighter, more radiant looking skin with the ultimate skincare system, utilizing dynamic light, biowave, and massage therapy to reshape and rejuvenate the face. Let me show you the product. Comes with a stand, and it comes with a charger. You could leave it like this on your vanity. You certainly get a lot of choices with this. Now, I've tried the ultrasound. You just can put it on a clean face and you just go like that. Now, if you want to know if it's on, you just look in here, but if you put it near your ear, you can hear it. So ultrasound treatments are pretty expensive in the doctor's office. So this is a very good alternate instead of going to the doctor's office and doing it. And it's safe and it's easy to use. So I do the ultrasound all over my nose. And so I use this a couple of times a month. I use the ultrasound. I can testify to you that it works because after I've used the ultrasound, the next day I am itchy, 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 because the blood is circulating. When the swelling is going down, it's because the blood is circulating, and you could feel it. You could feel it by the itchiness. And so the ultrasound, I really can attest to, and I swear it is wonderful. The next thing I use it for is the vibration. This is the red light, and you go like this. You have to wear the goggles when you do this, and you just go around, around, around. This comes with the goggles, which I haven't done their red light therapy. That's why I didn't unwrap it yet, but it has a nice case, nice goggles. Okay, so it comes with that. It comes with a rubber band like this, and some cotton. What you do is you put this on here. Okay, you choose blue light for acne skincare. You select photon and the blue light for that. The red light activates skin cells and promotes collagen production, accelerating healing process. The blue light kills acne, bacillus, and reduces inflammation and scars. The green light improves appearance of hyperpigmentation and age spots, and useful in edema elimination. Lightens skin tone and improves discoloration. Oh, I have to use the green too. That's the red. Ooh, that's the blue. That's the green. I haven't used any of the colors yet. So that green is good for hyperpigmentation. Ooh. I have used the vibration and I've used the ultrasound. And I love the two of those for this. And next I'm going to use the green light because I don't have a green light one. And then I'll try the cleansing. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, this product. I really like it. So I just want to thank all these companies for sending this to me, these products to me. And I want to thank you for watching, because without you, I'm talking to nobody. And what else do I want to tell you today? That you are beautiful. Yes, you are. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to hit the boop, boop, boop and the boop, I would love it. That would make me so happy. I appreciate everything you do for me, and And thank you so much. Have a beautiful week. I'll see you next Saturday.